Congratulations on finishing the course. You've just taken another big step in your 3D journey, and we're proud to be part of it. At 3D Tutor, we believe in being more than just another course provider. We're your one-stop hub for everything 3D. From learning and mastering tools like Blender and Unreal Engine, to accessing powerful assets, procedural systems, and production-ready resources. Whether you're building a stylized village, crafting magical effects with geometry nodes, or designing full game environments, we've got you covered. With over 40 courses and hundreds of hours of content, there's always something new to explore, learn, and master. Every course comes packed with valuable assets, things like ready-to-go geometry node setups, modular props, shader examples, and much more. All designed to help you build faster, smarter, and more creatively. But 3D Tutor is more than content. It's a community, a creative space where artists of all levels grow, share, and push each other forward. We're here to support you not just on one course, but through your entire journey in 3D. So don't stop here, dive into the world of procedural modeling, experiment with new workflows, and keep challenging yourself. Whatever your style, whatever your vision, you'll find the tools, guidance, and inspiration here at 3D Tutor. Thanks for being part of the journey, and remember, your next big idea is only one course away. Happy modeling everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.